Hey everyone, this is John with the Digital Growth Community, brought to you by B.O.S. Solutions. Um, I am here and putting this information out and value as your blue collar problem solver. And I'm going to be rolling out a program called the Blue Collar Blueprint. And what this is going to do, along with the Digital Growth Online Business Education program, legacy program, digital growth products, is it's going to show you how to implement these strategies into your existing business. That is the goal. That is what I have done, and going to simplify it so you can do this yourself with your own business and see why this program is valuable. That is what my goal is to bring you the value, and it's an investment in yourself, because if you want your business to survive and strive, you need to always be able to adapt. And these are the things that are important in today's business world, is providing different outlets for your business. And this will help you resolve a lot of issues, like, for one, you don't have to have physical inventory with the digital products. um, the other great thing is, with this program, you relinquish, you have the resell rights. Nobody else makes money off of you. That is the best part of this program for me, and the reason I have stuck with it. Because who wants somebody else to make money off of you? So, besides the initial investment in the four income streams and the four programs you get, the Launchpad, Passive Daily, Pay, Digital Mastery, and the Legacy program, when you purchase that, that is the only time you have to purchase anything. You get your domain name off GoDaddy, $39.99, I believe, and you're off and running, because that domain is working for you 24/7. But you want to know how to implement the daily questions, the daily problems you solve daily, so you can free up time and help your customers also, and clients. That is the goal of the digital products, is to solve problems for your customers, so you're not always having to explain it. You provide a blueprint, you provide the answers with the digital products, and then you are allowed to work in your business instead of on your business, so you can do other things to help your business. um, And if you want to get the blueprint for the legacy program, go to legacywithyou.com, and you will get that free blueprint. But in the coming weeks, I'm going to be offering how you can implement this into your existing business. That is my goal. And if you want to see some of the stuff I've done, you can go to my website, https semicolon or colon slash slash bosssolutions.myshopify.com, and you will see how I implemented these products and solutions as a blue collar problem solving program. And that is my goal. And the other great things about this community is that it's live. There's always people there to help you from all over the world. There's testimonials how people have done this also, and their successes. So you can take a look at that once you join the digital growth community, and people are there to help you. So the only thing is, you got to be willing to put yourself out there, take that first step, get a little uncomfortable, maybe doing videos, go live, put yourself out there on different social platforms. I choose to use YouTube, TikTok, and then I put stuff out on Facebook and Instagram sometimes. But the main two I concentrate on are TikTok and YouTube. They're easy. It's pretty self-explanatory. There's a few things you might need to know, like on TikTok, is always put your brand, or else you'll get flagged and go through that mess. But feel free to put yourself out there. Yes, it's a little scary at first, and you're like, who am I to be doing this? The imposter syndrome, all those kinds of things. But you know what? I've always had the mentality I'm not scared to fail. If I fail, at least I tried and I've learned something. So, but I'm here to bring you value. So, for all you entrepreneurs and current business owners, this is the program that will help you with your existing business or start a new one. So, feel free to go to my website, legacywithyou.com, get your free guide there. Check out my bosssolutions.myshopify.com store. I offer a variety of products to help you with many endeavors. Looking good with clothing. I got some B.O.S products out there. I've got sweatshirts, hats, shirts. There will be more coming in the future. So feel free to check those things out. And, it takes you to make a difference. So I hope you have a good day wherever you are. Please feel to reach out, direct message me, and I will answer you. So take care.